Welcome to Solflare Wallet versus Math Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Solflare Wallet and Math Wallet, focusing on their features, target audiences, and overall usability to help you make an informed decision. Solflare Wallet is specifically designed for the Solana blockchain, making it a top choice for users deeply integrated into the Solana ecosystem. It supports SOL tokens, Solana-based NFTs, staking, and decentralized finance (DeFi) applications. Solflare offers multiple access points, including a browser extension, mobile app, and web interface, ensuring flexibility for different user preferences. Notable features include Ledger hardware wallet compatibility, phishing protection, and multi-signature account support. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners, while its advanced features appeal to more experienced crypto users who want robust functionality for staking and NFT management. On the other hand, Math Wallet is a multi-chain wallet that supports over 100 blockchains, including Solana. This broad compatibility makes it an excellent option for users managing diverse crypto portfolios across various networks. Math Wallet offers a browser extension, mobile app, and desktop application, with features like staking, DeFi access, and a built-in dApp browser. It also supports hardware wallets for enhanced security and provides cloud backup options for added convenience. While its multi-chain capabilities are impressive, its interface can feel more complex for users solely focused on Solana compared to the streamlined experience of Solflare. When comparing the two, Solflare Wallet is ideal for users who primarily interact with Solana and want a wallet tailored to this blockchain. Its specialized features, intuitive design, and robust security make it the superior choice for Solana enthusiasts. Meanwhile, Math Wallet is perfect for those managing assets across multiple blockchains, offering unmatched versatility but potentially at the cost of a steeper learning curve for Solana-specific functions. Your choice depends on your priorities: dedicated Solana functionality or multi-chain versatility. Check out the links in the description to explore both wallets and decide which fits your needs better.